quick.
Imran Nabidar, I'll come to you. Imran Nabidar, I'll come to you. But Rashid Engineer, let me get you in at this point. Rashid Engineer, would you today want to salute the brave heart from our armed forces, Major Gogoi, who has got the Chief of Army Staff's commendation? Do you think the fact that he had a gun, he did not use the gun, and he saved several lives of civilians, of election officials, of the ITBP men and the J&K cops? The question today is that should India be saluting him? Will you be one of the Indians who will salute him? Because that's the top trend going on Twitter, and we've got lots of questions coming in on Involve.in. All our viewers sending us questions. They want to know from you, Rashid Engineer, will you also salute Major Gogoi?
Cheers. Well done India, well done India. Today the cat is out of the bag and your black face stands exposed before world community. Your atrocities have been
black about honoring an army?
World should know
what about
dirty job your army has been doing. Have patience
lives,
listen.
Sir.
Have patience and listen. I will say just one thing.
What atrocity
Today,
are you talking about?
He saved lives. And India should be declared as a terrorist state. And I will say just one thing. Modi tere haathon mein wo lakir nahi hai. Kashmir Hindustan ki jaagir nahi hai. This army major should have been tried in the Supreme Court and he should
Rashid Engineer.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
A person himself who's a terrorist. The country where Kashmiris are used as human shields and you are enjoying our sufferings. You are rewarding those who kill us. You are rewarding those.
Mr. Rashid Engineer.
Shame on you, shame on your army, shame on those who have rewarded this major.
Shame on you,
shame on you, Mr. Engineer.
Rashid Engineer. Shame on you, Rashid Engineer.
For the killing
shame on you, Rashid Engineer.
Shame on you.
Swear by the Indian Constitution. You swear by the Indian Constitution. You enjoy the
shame on you.
You travel on Indian passports. You live in India. You swear by the Indian Constitution when you become an MLA.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Today it's the time. It's the time to condemn.
Why don't you throw this man out of the
Engineer. Rashid Engineer. Rashid Engineer. Please listen to me.
I
have rewarded.
Mr. Rashid Engineer, Mr. Rashid Engineer.
He has been thrown out recently out of the show. This man doesn't deserve to be on any discussion or any panel. This man is a terrorist. This man is an anti-national. He should not be given platform to talk a terrorist language.
Mr. Rashid Engineer. Mr. Rashid Engineer, Mr. Rashid Engineer, Mr. Rashid Engineer.
Who is this Ashok?
You are an MLA. 1 minute, Mr. Rashid Engineer. 1 minute, Mr. Rashid Engineer. 1 minute, Mr. Rashid Engineer.
I don't want to be
Rashid Engineer, 1 minute, Rashid Engineer, you are an आप कहाँ के हैं? आप हिंदुस्तान के नहीं हैं। आप हिंदुस्तान की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे शपथ लेकर एमएलए बने हैं। आप कहाँ के हैं? आप हिंदुस्तान की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे शपथ लेके एमएलए बने हैं। आप कहाँ के हैं? आप कहाँ के हैं? आप शर्म कीजिए। आप शर्म कीजिए।
Kulbhushan Yadav and you are using Kashmir as human shield.
You
went to Kulbhushan Yadav
in the name of terrorism
and you are using a human shield.
For Pakistan, you have been
अपनी टीवी रेटिंग के लिए हिंदुस्तान को बर्बाद मत करो।
RSN Singh, let me get in RSN Singh. RSN Singh, for this man, RSN Singh, Rashid Engineer.
This man is a shameful guy.
Rashid Engineer, calm down. Let me get in RSN Singh. RSN Singh, this man who says shame to India is an Indian. He swears by the Indian constitution to become an independent MLA and then turns around and curses India and the Indian army. Does he have the right to get any security?
Shame on India.
बिल्कुल हिंदुस्तान की फोर्सेस इनको सिक्योरिटी देती है.
He should be out of this country.
I have been on debate many times with this man. I want to make a more fundamental point. You saw the contrast between the jihadi frenzy of the stone pelters and the cool, calculated courage of this army officer. There lies the difference. And why people are rattled, as you say, this whole peacenik industry. You know, Navika, what used to happen?
You go, Raksha.
Wait! Oh, shut up!
Killing Muslims for call.
Oh, shut up, man. You are a jihadi. I can see the jihadi frenzy in your mind.
Dirty man.
I apologize to the channel for using this forum. I should have used some different forum. I should have used some different forum to use the same language. I have chosen an inappropriate forum, a forum which is very close to my heart. I am not at all ashamed.
1 minute.
I am not at all ashamed.
Let's not digress from the debate. Let's not digress
what I
from the
said.
debate.
I am ashamed that I used
expressed regret.
inappropriate forum.
Colonel RSN,
Yes,
Colonel RSN Singh has expressed regret. Colonel RSN Singh has expressed Rashid Engineer. 1 minute, gentlemen. Colonel RSN Singh has expressed regret for the usage of the word. He has said he expresses regret to the channel. That's a regret taken care of. Rashid Engineer, would you also want to regret the fact that you made statements against India, against the Indian army? You said, Rashid Engineer, can you also express your regret for saying shame India, because this is the country? Which constitution did you take? Which constitution did you swear by?
मदरसों और मस्जिदों में जाके सुनो कि कौन सी भाषा का इस्तेमाल होता है हिंदुस्तानियों के खिलाफ.
Ma'am, allow me to respond.
कोई जाओ.
If you want me to say to withdraw my
अरे
word,
तुम्हारे मस्जिदों और
I will never do
मदरसों में
that,
क्या हो रहा है
because you really deserve a shame today for honoring one who has disgraced Kashmiris and who has brought a bad name to India at the World Forum. And let me tell you one thing, I am the one who has been used as human shield
Rashid
for 41
Engineer.
years in my area. Go and
Rashid Engineer, you have to swear by the Indian constitution to become an MLA. Rashid Engineer, why do you swear by the Indian constitution when you have to curse it like this? You, Rashid Engineer, really need to, you need to calm down, Rashid Engineer. You need to calm down, Rashid Engineer. Let me give the last, tonight, let me give the last word to an army man, General G.D. Bakshi.